and welcome back to the first video in a new series that I am so excited about. First, I just want to shout out my amazing mom because she is the reason that this series is even possible. So what this is going to be is a test of my baking skills. And if you've watched the Great British Baking Show, one of their challenges is the technical challenge, where they get a recipe for something that is kind of pared down, so they have to figure things out. And every time I watch that show, I always think, I wonder if I could do that. Like, I love to bake, but I don't know if I could take a recipe of something that I may or may not have ever made before that has things taken out of it and figure out how to do it. So that's what I'm testing out today. Again, thank you to my mom because she is the one who found a recipe, edited it, and gave me my challenge, so I'm really excited about it. I haven't looked at the recipe, but I did get all of the ingredients assembled right here. She told me that I have 50 minutes, so I've got 50 minutes on my phone, and I'm gonna push start as soon as I flip over this recipe. Okay, so I'm gonna be making Madeira cake. And okay, let's do it. I'm nervous, you guys, and I've already wasted a minute. Okay, I need to go grab my scale because I forgot to get it, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with a bowl and my thing. So let's see. I also have a mixing bowl here. I need 5 ounces of butter. This says its net weight is 4 ounces. That's not correct. 2.8 ounces, so most of another stick. Let's see. Maybe I should have been more prepared. I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna start with that. 5 ounces on the dot. Okay, so that's gonna go in. It just says to mix the ingredients together. I'm gonna start by mixing the butter and sugar together because generally when you make a cake, that's what you do. So that's what I'm gonna do. How much sugar? 5 ounces of sugar. Oh, 4.9. Oh, close. Come on, hit the 5. Hit that 5. Ah, 5 ounces. I've got a hand mixer here. Okay, that looks fairly fluffy and good. Also, I just realized I didn't go turn the oven on, and it doesn't say what to bake it at, but I'm gonna put it at 350 and hope that that works. Okay, now I'm gonna add the eggs. So 2 eggs. Since I need small orange zest and large orange zest, I'm gonna use this, and then I'll cut up half of them. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Calling that good. I mean, that's most of this, and also it got a lot of the white, so it might be better, but we'll do our best. Okay, oh wait, let's pick out the prettiest ones. So I'm just gonna do like that one. This is how you don't zest an orange, okay? And over here, I'm just gonna throw those in. 8 ounces of plain flour, which is just all-purpose flour. 7.9, 8. I'm gonna go ahead and add the baking powder. I got 35 minutes, okay, but they're really pretty, see? Okay, and I need to get to it. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay. And then, oh, I forgot to grab the milk. Okay, it says 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk, so I'm gonna start with 3. And I'll add more if I need to. Bit thick, so I'm gonna go ahead and add in that last tablespoon of milk. Okay, now I need a loaf pan. I need to get this in the oven because I would guess it's gonna take about 25 to 30 minutes, and I have 32 minutes left, so I'm gonna go grab my loaf pan. Okay, I've got a loaf pan here, and I grab some spray. It doesn't say anything about spraying the loaf pan down, but I mean, I'm making a cake, and usually you grease the pan, right? So I'm doing it. Batter is really good. Okay. Stop eating the batter, Hannah. Get it in the oven. Scatter over the large gratings of the zest. I'm gonna put them skin side down so that they look nicer. Ta-da! Gonna do that. I'm gonna go put it in the oven. I'm gonna start it at 25 minutes. And we'll see you on the other side. Okay, real quick check-in. I have the oven set at 350. The cake is in there for 25 minutes to start. Hopefully that'll be enough. I have 28 minutes on the clock, so that's only like 3 minutes for it to cool and get it out of the pan. Hopefully that's enough. And then that's pretty much all I have to do, so I'm feeling okay. But then it says you have to put a little extra caster sugar over the surface to make it pretty before you turn it out of the pan and put it on a rack. So I'll see it when the oven goes off, and hopefully the cake is cooked. We're gonna cross our fingers. I'm back. There's 10 minutes left on the oven clock, and there's 13 minutes left here. And it doesn't look like the cake is baking, and I am like stressed, you guys. So I turned the oven up to 375. I don't think it would be any higher than that, but hopefully it bakes. I just want it to bake. This is more stressful than I thought it would be. It's gonna bake, right? Just, you know, positive affirmations. It's gonna bake. It's gonna bake. Anyways, I cleaned up my counter. looks much nicer. And I have a cooling rack ready to go so that it can cool off as soon as it comes out of the oven. Hopefully baked all the way through. Okay, I'll see you guys in 10 minutes. Okay guys, I just checked it and it's raw. So I put it back on 3 minutes. I don't think it's gonna be cooked. This is gonna be a disaster, guys. This is how much time I have left. And there's 3 minutes on the oven. Now I know how those contestants feel, and man, this is stressful. And it's not gonna be cooked, but we're gonna do our best. We're gonna leave it in there as long as I possibly can. And then I'm gonna pull it out, and I'm just gonna pray that it's good. But I might fail. Oh well. It'll be fun for you guys to watch, right? And we're back. I did get it out of the oven before the timer went off, but I definitely did not finish it. I didn't put the sugar on top, and it's definitely not cooked. So I don't know if you can see that. Can you see how it jiggles? It is so raw in the middle. Yeah. So I did not finish it in the time allotted. I'm gonna go throw it back in the oven, and I'm actually gonna finish it, but this was way stressful, you guys. I'm gonna go throw this in the oven, then we're gonna talk about it, and then we'll see the finished product, which will look better than this hot mess. Assume that's what it wants you to do, so that it will like melt in there. And then I'm just gonna let it cool for a few minutes before I try and take it out. It was fun to try and time myself and get something done in a short amount of time, in like just the right amount of time to get it done. And I'm definitely gonna be trying it some more, so stay tuned for more videos in this series. See me fail some more, I'm sure, and yeah. See you guys soon with another video.